Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video we are going to discuss if this is the right time to apply for your visit visa or ETA for Canada. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask us. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, a lot of questions are coming like if this is the right time to apply for a visitor visa, because people do plan their visits in advance, and when they do stuffs like this, booking visa, nobody wants these to be put on hold till the last minute. Of course the circumstances have changed across the world, but still these things matter a lot. So as you can see here, like they have provided a lot of information, like until further notice most people can't travel to Canada even if they have a valid visitor visa or electronic travel authorization. If you scroll down to this page, they have provided other information like due to the current situation they cannot process applications normally, provide accurate processing time, and that is what I have been telling in various comments also, like nobody can say how long they are gonna take because they themselves cannot provide accurate processing time, so who we are to tell. And they are prioritizing some applications, especially those who are in essential services, vulnerable people, or Canadians, those who are trying to return to Canada. That is what. Now if you see that, if we'll straight away go to this visitor visa section, so here they have provided some some very important information. You must check to make sure you are exempt from travel restrictions if you are outside the US. So first check that if you are falling under the exemption category, if you wanna apply for a visa, a visit visa or ETA based on your country of passport to travel to Canada. If you meet that, like you are under exemption, then check if you are able to travel to Canada, and then select and then you can proceed from there. So but before you proceed further, if you read this strip of message here, this is very important. If you are not eligible to travel to Canada right now, don't apply during the suspension. The period is also given. You will not be able to come to Canada, of course, because even if you have a visa, you cannot travel. So how new visa holders will travel during this duration? So they have clearly mentioned do not apply. So you need to keep an eye on this. Like it will be interesting to see that after June 9 if the government is going to extend this period or going to end this suspension, but we are going to monitor it. And if you are eligible, you need to apply if you are, you can apply based on the country. If you have already applied for a visitor visa, now if you have already applied, then email at this and say that you need to tell that if you are exempt, if you are outside of US, you need to travel for an essential purpose, you have an application in process, how you applied for your visa. I mean, these pieces of information you need to share. When emailing us, make sure you give us the following information: application number, client ID, where you live, current country of residence. If somebody is applying for the first time, then this UCI will not be available. How you meet one of the exemption criteria if you are outside the US, provide this information. And if you have booked your tickets, that also you can provide. You will receive a notification either via your secure account or in your email confirming your application is approved or refused, or requesting more information. If you originally applied for visit visa by paper, you can link, and your application won't be processed until the suspension is lifted if you do not meet the exemption criteria and offer determines you are not traveling for an essential non-discretionary purpose. You need to prepare properly before arriving at the airport to fly to Canada, important, and that information also they have issued. And also if you once you come here, and you have to self quarantine for 14 days. Similar information we have for ETA also. And if you go down the line, like if you need to apply for, while the temperature will process it only if so if you have not yet applied and you are under exemption, still there is something that you can follow. Like if you need a visitor visa, you can apply online. When answering the question, purpose of travel, choose other. Description field, write COVID-19 exactly like this. You must use capital letters. Pay the application fee and other things. So these 2 points are very important. Purpose of travel, other. Description, COVID-19. You need to write so that your application is prioritized. And all other information they have given here. So that is what you need to follow. I'm going to include the link in the description, so make sure you follow it, you read it yourself. I have given you the walkthrough. Thank you guys.